Would you like to have the results of a trader without spending years learning and losing money? Because here's the reality. 90% of people lose in trading. Not because they lack motivation, but because they lack a system. Maybe you've already tried, watched courses, joined signal groups, tested strategies, and still, no consistent results. And that's frustrating, because you know the money is there. You just don't know how to take it. The problem was never the market. The problem is that you were trading alone. That's why we created Aurea System, a community where we combine professional traders operating in real time. Artificial intelligence analyzing the market 24/7 and ready to execute signals. Here, you don't need to know trading. You need to know how to follow instructions. It literally works like this. Open your account, receive the signals, copy and execute. And that's it. Simple. Why does it work? Because you don't depend on just one person. We have traders operating during New York, London, and Asia sessions, plus an AI-powered scanner detecting opportunities 24/7. That's why we're achieving up to 92% accuracy. You receive between 25 and 30 opportunities per day, and there are people generating hundreds, even thousands of dollars daily. Of course, it depends on your capital, but the opportunity is there every single day. Now, if you're thinking, I've lost money before. Of course, because you were alone, without a system. I don't trust brokers. That's why we work with a structured broker, with fast execution, withdrawals, and global access. You're not improvising. You're inside a complete ecosystem. And here's the most interesting part. All of this would normally cost you thousands of dollars. Courses, signals, tools, mentorship. Here, it's all integrated. And today, you can start completely free. Just sign up, access, and begin. But understand this, access is for everyone. Results are only for those who execute.